Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nemo, and guess what we're doing today? That's right, more hair. Because I can't quit. It's all I really want to make videos of. But I really like the hair that I have. I've gotten so many compliments on it. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to just refresh what I've already done. I think I'm going to actually maybe give it a little more punch with those brighter colors of the same, but they're going to more or less be the same. And I'm going to make these front two pieces pink, or I'm going to try to. I figure worst case scenario, they'll turn purple because this is blue, but I think it's pretty faded enough that it'll work out fine. I think it'll be pretty pink, and even if it's purple, that'll still be dope. So, yeah. So let me do a spin and you can see what it's looking like right now. All right, so this is what the colors look like swatched on paper towel. So that gives a better idea of how they're gonna come out on the hair once it's all done and processed. And I'm gonna get some gloves on and get started. All right, so I have rinsed with ice cold water and dried it and straightened. And here we are. There's a few pieces I missed, and it's definitely darker than I expected it to be. I did use like twice as much of the darker Arctic Fox colors this time than last time. And I did want it to be darker, but this is definitely darker than I initially anticipated, but it's okay. It'll fade. It's fine. And it's still really cute. Once again, purple's not super visible, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and come back tomorrow after I have curled this and got it fixed up just a little bit better, and I'll update then. Okay, so I ended up not doing that. I'm just gonna sign off here and leave it as is. This is in a ponytail today, but I just keep waiting for like the right time, but my allergies just keep acting up. My eyes are all puffy and stuff. I just don't feel like taking the time to curl my hair. It takes so long. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will consider liking and subscribing and tuning in for the next one. So I will see you later. Bye.